Toyota has brought me out to LA to preview the all-new 2023 5th generation Toyota Prius Prime. Let's get into it. Now, if you haven't watched my walk around on the standard Prius, make sure to check that out. Here we are, the Prius Prime. Pretty much looks identical than the standard Prius on the outside. There are gonna be some differences though. We have a clear LED strip in the back. All the Prius Primes take a more sportier approach because they do have the most horsepower, and we have 19-inch wheels on here. We also have more battery capacity. I'll talk about that in a little bit. This is the top of the line Prius Prime now. It's the XSE. It's no longer like a limited, for example. Here is the new Prime logo, and we have a brake light that spans the cross, the rear of the vehicle. I really like this paint color. It's kind of like a grayish blue, and I need to go under the hood because that is the biggest change here for the Prius. Who would have thought the Prius would ever have over 200 horsepower? Not only that, guys, we have 220 horsepower from this 2-liter. Yes, not 1.8, but a 2-liter 4-cylinder mated to the hybrid system here. We have a larger battery pack located underneath the rear seats. They're saying over 50% better range with this new battery pack. So my estimations, upper 30s, maybe even eclipsing 40 miles of EV range, getting close to what the RAV4 Prime can do. So 220 horsepower. Toyota's estimating that this new Prius Prime can do 0 to 60 in the mid 6.6 seconds is what I'm hearing. So that is absolutely phenomenal. Not only does the new Prius look amazing on the outside, but it looks amazing on the inside as well. This being the XSE, we have red accents not only on the seats, but also on the vents as well. Man, it's just a nice experience. We have this red stitching on the steering wheel that's taken from the BZ4X. I love this steering wheel. 7-inch MID above the steering wheel. To give you all your information, you don't need a head-up display because it is like right next to the glass. We have this large 12-inch screen here on this XSE model. Unfortunately, the volume knob's really far away, kind of set up for the Japanese right-hand drive market, I would say. Digital rearview mirror here. We have a lot of glossy black around the shifter, unfortunately, but luckily it's not up here on the dash, and that was the same for the normal Prius over there. So they've kind of accented this with a much more neutral color here, and I like having that ambient lighting in here. Heated and ventilated seats, 6 USB-Cs, 2 here, and we also have this 360 camera that is on the XLE Premium as an option, as well as this self-parking system here, which was on the previous Prius, but I'm not one to use those sort of systems. We have a couple USB-Cs here, a total of 6, because we have 2 more in the back. Here you can see the top-down camera. I'm here to report that it's average quality. It's not going to break any records for crystal clear or anything like that. We have Prius here. I know it's hard to see. We have Prius on or underneath the screen here, the JBL. Now this one doesn't have the fixed glass roof applied to it, but that will be an option here on the new Prius. And the reason it doesn't have that glass roof is because this has the solar roof here that's making a return. My 3rd gen Prius has the solar roof, but this is going to be much more capable of running the systems inside the car to improve your range. Definitely stay tuned because I don't know a lot of details on this solar roof quite yet. We have the handle tucked into the C-pillar here. We're gonna get on the inside, and we have a lot of room here despite this being a compact vehicle, a lot of knee room. We have heated rear seats back here, a couple USB-Cs, and additional, and I don't remember seeing this on the normal Prius, we have additional household plug-in here for if you wanted to put in a normal charger or an extension cord, for example. And we have this armrest that folds down, and just a beautiful look of the interior of the new Prius Prime. I wish I could give you guys a more detailed look of both of these vehicles, but unfortunately, I only have a half an hour with both of them. So it kind of, limits how much I can dive into each of these vehicles. But man, the new Prius, absolute home run in terms of styling. The new Prius Prime, they gave it over 200 horsepower. They're giving it close to 40 miles of electric range. Definitely stay tuned. I can't wait to share with you guys more details when it comes to pricing at the end of this year, which is just a month from now. And then I will make a separate video detailing the packaging because there's a lot. We have LE, XLE Limited for the normal Prius, and SE, XSE, and XSE Premium for the plug-in. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support through all the Prius videos I've been making on the channel. I know you guys really like it, and I'll see you guys down in the comments. And definitely stay tuned, because I will be giving you guys driving impressions of the all new Prius and Prius Prime before the year is over. Again, thank you for your support. We'll catch you in the next one.